What's up you guys, it's Graham here. So after reading all of the comments on the unboxing video of the Jpmorgan Reserve credit card, I came to the realization that credit cards are evil. So I'm going to be destroying all of my credit cards today and seeing how much it takes to ruin them. So what we have here, we got a blender, will it blend? Then we got an axe, will it axe? And then finally, if that doesn't work, we have an Elon Musk Boring Company Flamethrower. So we're going to be seeing how these credit cards hold up to this and if we can actually destroy it. And then finally, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. If you guys comment down below with your Instagram handle, add me on Instagram, I'm going to be giving away whatever's left over of that $10 million Jpmorgan Reserve credit card to one of you lucky people. So comment down below, add me on Instagram, and you can win whatever's left over of that credit card. So let's get to the video. So the first shot we're going to be doing is what's called the bend test. Can we destroy the card simply by bending it in half? So right here we got the infamous Bank of America Cash Rewards card. Let's see how this bends. Can we bend it? That's pretty easy. So, okay. So basically if I do this a few times, we can get the card in half. So that's an easy one. Let's take it up a step. Let's go with the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Now this is a metal credit card, but you can still bend it. Let's see how this one bends and how this one holds up when we want to destroy it. Afraid it's almost going to snap here. No, it's not going to snap. It might though. It might. Okay. So yeah, so you could bend it. I am terrified of this snapping though, for real. It's like one of those, like you're waiting for a balloon to pop is what this kind of feels like. I'm actually getting scared because I do feel like this is gonna, I should be wearing gloves for this one. This is hard. This is actually way harder than I thought to bend it. You can't, I can't destroy this. Because it seems like the metal inside is pretty malleable. So it's like, I could do this all day. I mean, this card is not gonna go anywhere. So this survives the bend test. Whereas this card here, the Bank of America card, if I did this a few times, let's just see, yeah. I mean, I could pretty much just continue doing this, it'll cut in half. But Chase, you did a great job with this credit card. I can't destroy it, so good on you for that. Let's take it up a notch. Let's go with the American Express Platinum. Now this is a card that I have tried to bend before because I've just been curious, like how easily does this bend? It's pretty difficult. I'm actually going to try for real though this time. This is why I go to the gym. I'm going to try to do this in frame here. That's really tough. That so far is the best that I was able to do, and I'm like hurting my shoulder doing this. The one interesting thing though, it does look as though you can kind of see it's peeling. So let's see what happens. Oh, look at this, the whole thing. That's a sticker. Oh my God. See, the more you know. I would not have known that this entire thing here, and you can see the credit card number doesn't even work anymore. So if anyone's trying to like steal my credit card information, it's not gonna work. That just leaves you with this. I did not realize that this was just kind of like a sticker printed over the top. I mean, it makes sense if it's metal, but yeah, you're able to peel off really both sides, and it's really just a piece of metal. That's it. Okay. This is the big one. I'm actually kind of nervous about this one. This is the infamous $10 million Jpmorgan Reserve credit card. So this is 50% heavier than this. So I don't think I'm going to be able to bend it. I feel almost bad about ruining such a great card, but credit cards are evil. So let's see if I can bend this one. Oh, I feel terrible. This one bends easier. This one bends a little bit easier than the American Express. I did not expect that. It's a straight up piece of metal. I mean, there's nothing I could do to this card. So this, I would have to say, is the most durable card. I mean, the American Express feels a little bit, no, this is harder. This is definitely harder to do. Okay, so we have passed the bend test. So I think what's next, we should see now, will it blend? Let's go to the blender. So now we have the blender test. So we're gonna be starting first with the Wells Fargo plastic credit card. This one, they wanted to charge me an annual fee on it. I was very upset by that. So you know what, we're gonna be destroying it. We're gonna be blending it. Let's see if this credit card blends. I have no idea how this is going to work. Let's give this a shot. Okay, so let's see what's left over of the Wells Fargo credit card. Okay, there we go. Yep, it blended. So now let's take it up a step. We're gonna be seeing, does the Chase Sapphire Reserve blend? Let's find out. It's a good question. We don't know this. I think I'm the only channel, by the way, that's ever blended a credit card. So let's find out, let alone a metal one. Let's see. That was a terrible idea. Did not plan for that. That was awful. Don't do this at home. I broke my blender. So the answer was no, it did not blend. Did break the blender though. This is good, it's on a glass blender. That was stupid. That was really stupid. That test is done. So I think it's pretty safe to assume I am not going to try to blend the metal credit cards for risk of killing anybody. So we're gonna leave it at that, but now we're gonna see, can we cut this in half with a Home Depot hatchet. So let's give this a shot now. That worked. Let's try the Chase Sapphire Reserve. That held up pretty well. Let's try it again. This is really holding up. This is a good credit card. I don't think we're gonna be destroying this one. So let's try now the American Express. Let's see how this one holds up. We can't destroy this one. American Express, you made a good card. Don't think that's gonna happen, but let's try the Jpmorgan Reserve credit card. Let's see, for 10 million bucks, what sort of credit card do you get? I don't think we can destroy it. Oh, look! A little bit of a tear. Right there. A little bit. Barely. Let's try it again. I think we're working on it. Yep, we got it. No match for an axe. So right now, you guys, we got the Elon Musk Flamethrower against a Capital One credit card, and they charge you about 25% interest. Let's teach them a lesson here. This actually worked way better than what I expected. Let's see how hot this thing is. Yeah, it still says Capital One on it. You can still make out exactly what it is. But let's see. Oh, it smells terrible. There you go. That's what this is. So now let's try the Chase Sapphire Reserve. See how that holds up. It is metal, so I don't know if it's going to do anything, but let's try it. So right now we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Let's see how that holds up to a flamethrower. It's not quite melting, and there it is. Oh, it's smoking. That's very nice. One last one. All right, good enough. This is the almighty Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card, and okay then, but you know, it seems to have held up so far. It's still intact. It still looks like a credit card. So now let's just go straight to the big one. Let's just do the Jpmorgan Reserve credit card, the $10 million credit card that you guys have probably all seen unboxed. Let's shoot it with a flamethrower, see how it holds up. All right, the moment you guys have been waiting for, the $10 million Jpmorgan Reserve credit card against the Boring Company Flamethrower. Let's see what happens and how this holds up. Let's go. All right, we had to double wrap this one. Let's try it one last time and see if we could burn it, because so far, after 2 tries, does not work. Let's try it once more. I don't think it's working. They make a very good credit card. We gave it a good shot. I don't think this is going to work though. The Jpmorgan Reserve card held up against a Flamethrower. So anyway, here we go. Here's the aftermath of the Jpmorgan Reserve credit card to a Flamethrower. It actually looks pretty cool. I would say it even looks cooler like this than it did before. By the way, you guys, if you're trying to take my credit card information, none of that's gonna work. So don't even try. By the time you're watching this, this number is not going to be in service anymore, so it doesn't really matter. But anyway, yeah. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like I mentioned in the beginning, if you want to win this credit card, all you have to do is add me on Instagram, comment down below with your Instagram handle, and within another few days, I will pick a lucky winner, reach out to you on Instagram, and send you this credit card in the mail. So again, add me on Instagram, comment down below, and you have a chance to win this credit card. Also, if you watched it all the way through and you haven't already subscribed yet, make sure to smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, because this is by far the craziest video I have ever done, times like 100. Don't know how many more of these I'm going to be doing, but anyway, you still want to subscribe, smash the like button, and that's it. Thank you again for watching, and until next time. So I just realized I got to order a replacement credit card. I was trying to find the phone number on the back. I mean, as you can tell, don't really know what it is, so I looked it up online. Let's give them a call and tell them what happened to this. Let's put it on speaker.
My name is Elizabeth. I have the last 4 digits of a card you're calling about.
I can't read it, unfortunately. The thing is, I accidentally burned it with a flamethrower.
This is the one you destroyed with the torch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's actually a flamethrower.
Oh, really? Sure. Anything else I can help you with tonight?
Yeah, you know, I'm out of propane as well, if you have any extra propane.
We'll be right over.
That would be amazing. Thank you. We just ran out, so.
Thank you for calling. Safe. Have a great evening.
Thanks, you too.
Bye.